Hi, welcome back to Postpark C channel and back to the tutorial for C programming language. This is a tutorial helpful definitely helpful for who are preparing GATE university or college level and pursuing BTech, BSc or whatever there. So today we are going to continue the control statements where we have to continue the switch statement in C. Why we need and what are the uses of switch statement? How do you execute the write a program to execute very simply using the simple calculator like that. If you have any doubts, please kindly check the playlist. Then only get the continuation. This is a tutorial definitely helpful for learning the C program from start to end. So the previous session I explained about the recent control statement. The topics like where give the introduction about if statement and switch statement, then conditional operator. At last go to statement. The first one we discussed, that is types of if statement what, decision control statements what, simple if, then nested if and else if, ladder and also and so on, if else, nested if and so on. So with the examples, today we are going to focus only the switch statement with the example. Where what is switch statement? It's a control statement that allows us to choose only one choice among the many given choices, or you can say these are the one, or always select any one among the multiple decisions. Then the switch always makes successfully test a value against a list of integer or character constants. I am again repeating it. The switch always successfully test a value or test a value against a list of integer or character constants, and the expression in switch evaluate to return an integer value which is and then compared to the values present in the different cases. And also it execute the block of code which matches the case value, and if no matches, what happen, then default block is executed if present. Now see the general format or syntax of switch statement, very simple and easy. First start from switch expression, then open brace, then case value 1, or you can say case 1 also, case value 1 block 1 and break, then case value 2 block 2 break, and so on continue. Based on the program task you can write and default block break. We will need switch statement in the switch in the C programming because it tries to reduce the number of lines. Suppose you are writing the program for 25 lines, with the switch we can reduce to 10 or 12 like that, possibility of reducing the code also. Then here, so let's assume that I want to print the weekday day of the week, that Sunday, Monday, that time also can use this kind of switch expression. Then there will be rules will be there. So here some rules are very important when you use the switch statement, otherwise we will get the syntax error or compilation error also. Here the expression must yield an integer value, that is the expression should be an integer or a variable or an expression that evaluates to an integer. Remember, then the case label values must be unique, and the case label must end with a colon, and also in the next line of the case statement can be any valid C statement. Remember here. So whenever you use this, whether you use case 1, 2, 3, 4 or only 2 or something, the case value should end with the colon only, not semicolon. If you give it to error or statements, I am again repeating, all the statement in the C program should end with the semicolon. So what will happen when you use this program? So when you use writing the program, once the match found here, the case when the match is found, what happen? The statement associated with this term, it will be executed and stop the program. If not there, the match is not found in the case 1, it go to the case 2. It will go and find is true or not. If it true, it will go and print the statement. If not there, it will come to case 3. If not there, it will come to case 4. If unfortunately these 4 are true, false means what is the default statement? It will go and print the default statement in the C program. Let's go for a small example where we can perform the simple arithmetic operation in the simple calculator program. So you can start with void main or int main also. Here I have a program, so simple and easy. So I am going to perform a program where it will have to perform the addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and remainder also. So I am going to write a data type, use the data type initializing int num1, num2, then float result. I am going to save the result as float data type, then character ch where it is used to store operator choice. That means we are the user, we are going to enter some character, based on the character it will perform the operation and print the result. Then printf, enter the first number, And scanf, what is the use of scanf? To get the input from the user. That means we are the one, we are going to give the input for the computer. The computer or C program have to get the input from us, means we have to need support of scanf. In the runtime it takes some value. So we are going to enter the first number and num1 I am giving, and enter the second number, and to remember we are going to give the integer, so I am using the format specifier %d %d, and then printf choose operation to perform, where what are the operation I am going to perform, means plus minus, that addition, subtraction, division, some multiplication, division, and remainder also. So I am going to give then scanf %c and ch. That means what? It will take single character. That means these are common to the characters here, plus minus. If you enter these options, it will print the result. Otherwise, it go to the default statement. Then I am initializing result is equal to 0. After the result will be updated easily here. Then now I come to the switch statement. Switch off ch, because this only we are to compare and check. So you see, ch character. Then case plus. If you press the plus button, plus symbol, what happen? It will perform the addition. That is result equal to num1 plus num2. It will print the result. Similarly, if you go, if match found, if you press, it will execute the statement and stop the operation. Again run the program. If you give subtraction, it will print it will do the subtraction operation. Similarly multiplication, similar division, similar remainder also. At last printf, you can say invalid operation. If you have to press these symbols. If you press unknown mod or some number or character something, it will say invalid operation only. At last, if you want to see the result now, so we can write the statement printf result %d %c %d is equal to %df, because we are going to save the result in the float format. That means point whatever the 21 point something, it will print it clearly. And num1 ch num2 result. So when I give like this, what happen? It go and print the get the number, you get the input from the user and print the result with the proper format. So let's execute the program in online compiler. Use the turbo C, use alt plus F9, save the program with the .c like simple.c and so on. Let's check the run the program. So I'm going to enter the number called 12, and next number I'm going to give 8. So I want to perform first what character, see, choose the operation. That means I have to enter ch character value. I am going to just enter the plus. So when you go plus, it have to perform the addition operation. Successfully executed, it print the 20.00, because result will in the float number. Similarly, I can do the other operation, division. Sorry, I can do the subtraction, because simple calculator means what? It should be perform the all arithmetic operations. I am giving just 21 number. I am going to give 7, and I am going to use minus subtraction symbol. So to print the 14.0, successfully executing. Similarly, we can see 6, 7 outputs. I am going to see a few only. It's definitely helpful for you. 34. Just I am going to give 2, second number, and I am going to perform the multiplication. So it will display the 68 successfully. So like that you can perform the 1. Now how do you check the default statement? So you can use some other option. So I just now told the 6 symbol. If you press some other number, what happen? I am just entering 12, no issue. Another number also I am giving 12. Then apart from this, if you give not match happen, was I am going to print some number. So what will happen here? It will print invalid. So it's not showing the, so it printing invalid operations. So like that you can use the switch statement easily in the C programming. It's back to PPT. So if you have any queries or any suggestions, please communicate with the social media to us. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.